Even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up, live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. I have a dream. Sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream.
You see, happiness doesn't depend on abundance. Happiness depends on something else. It depends on something deeper. And the Bible says, Isaiah the prophet said, there is no peace, saith the Lord, to the wicked. I don't care how rich you get and how powerful you get, there will be no peace in your heart if you don't know God.
Will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood? I have a dream.